Hi guys, this is gsnhome.com and I'm here with the Motorola Moto G6 for an unboxing. We've already unboxed the Motorola Moto G6 Play and the G6 Plus, and we also reviewed the G6 Plus. Now it's time for the mid model between them. The G6 Play is more affordable, closer to the budget. The G6 Plus is closer to the Moto X4, more of a high mid-range offering. So I'm going to call this a mid-range. Now in USA it's priced at around $249, which is actually not bad for a glass-clad dual camera handset. Quite the looker, as you can see, a bit smaller than the G6 Plus. That's immediately visible when you unbox it. So it's an unboxing, so I'm going to focus on what's inside the box. You already did a hands-on preview of the phone about a month and a half ago. Okay, so first of all, the back reminds me of the Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge with this curvature. It's got Gorilla Glass protection, glass at the front, glass at the back, 3D glass that is. And Motorola bundles here a metal key to access the slots, also manual and legal stuff, and of course a hefty charger, a turbo power charger. The G6 Plus was quite the fast charger. I'm guessing that I'm remembering less than 2 hours, which is actually not bad. We have here an USB Type-C cable, and that's that. No trace of headphones. Motorola doesn't usually provide headphones with its handsets, at least not lately. Okay, so that's it. Everything inside the box, including this beautiful, flexible, transparent case. You're here at gsnhome.com, and it's time to fire up the phone and see that clean, pure vanilla Android audio. So this series of handsets, the Moto G6, G6 Play, G6 Plus, debuted this spring. And this one is a 5.7-inch IPS LCD toting phone with a Full HD Plus resolution and something called Max Vision. It's their way of saying 18:9 aspect ratio and the smallest bezels available in the mid-range area. It's got Dolby acoustics, it's got 3D glass and a special water repellent coating, and it's available in a sort of black blue hue, which you can see here. There should also be a silver one and a blush one coming soon. Now the CPU, well, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, accompanied by 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, as well as a microSD card slot. We got a fingerprint scanner right here below the Motorola logo, and other than that, we got a face unlock and a 3000 mAh battery. Once again, we got Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and the whole thing weighs 167 grams. It measures 8.3 millimeters in thickness, and it comes with a front camera that's an 8 megapixel shooter, and this one here is supposed to also have a flash which can aid you with your selfies. Okay, so we're done with the setup. We're done with the front camera, 8 megapixel and its own LED flash. We go to the back for the surprise dual camera in a pretty nifty integration with a sort of ring, concentric circles and all that. So it's a combo of 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and Full HD up to 60 frames per second capture. We also have 3 microphones here. We got Dolby acoustics, Wi-Fi A, BGN, and a dual SIM version, as well as a single SIM version of the phone. We're running on a clean Android Oreo. We got this Moto thing here, which includes a bunch of special gestures, night display, and more functionality which I'm going to discover over the next days, including a chopping motion to activate the flash. As usual, I'm going to have a quick glance at the camera features. Now, aside from the stock stuff, Motorola also included some extras like spot color. Basically, you can pick a color from the surrounding area. So I can pick the red if I only want to keep the red, and everything becomes gray. That's the spot color. There's panorama, there's portrait, basically bokeh, face filters, and more. So that's it in a nutshell. This is the, well, not the first contact with the Motorola Moto G6, but the first contact with its packaging. It's an unboxing, and at $249, it's actually not a bad phone. We'll be back with a full review very soon. In the meantime, enjoy this video. Rest assured there's an in-depth review coming soon. Let's see what the top level brightness is. That's more like it. This is it from gsnhome.com. Bye bye.